Hi guys, this vlog is about my trip to the north of Zambia. For context, the trip is starting from Lusaka. So it's going to be like a series vlog, like day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4. We saw a lot of cool stuff. We saw Lake Tanganyika, Lake Meru, many waterfalls, Chishimba Falls. So just buckle up. We also got stuck along the way. That's our luggage. We packed just one small suitcase, and that's for another person because the trip was going to take 4 days at most. This is my outfit. I wanted to wear a short. I was thinking most likely it's going to be so hot. When we left, it was so hot. So the plan was to leave by 6 a.m. but we shamelessly left at 8. That's not great, but okay. Leaving now from Lusaka, heading to the north of Zambia. So we saw this stadium called National Hero Stadium. I've never been there. I would like to go to that place one day. It's on the North Road, Great North Road of Zambia. That's 1 hour from the Lusaka town where we were at. If I check the maps. Yeah, I was just saying we are cruising nicely. Along the way, we saw a lot of butternut squashes, tomatoes, watermelons, and I was trying to kind of zoom so everyone could see. I think it's their season because mostly when people sell stuff in bulk along the road, that's fruit season or product. We saw huge mushrooms along the way. I took this picture, but we saw so many mushrooms. I don't know where they get those huge mushrooms from. Do they just grow randomly in the forest and you go pick it up? I don't know. I don't know about mushrooms. I just noticed that my phone actually is taking very clear videos and pictures. So I was trying to kind of take videos with my phone also. And if maybe I could switch from the camera to my phone, but holding the phone is a bit tedious. So, nope, I'm just gonna go on with my camera. At this point, I was feeling a bit hungry. So I was looking out for the next town so we could get some lunch, which was almost close by. This is probably 4 hours into the trip. I'm not sure.
Life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing. You need a direction, bro.
What's up on the time? When I just try.
Okay, this town looked promising. It had Hungry Lion, but the town is not really giving to stop.
When I drop a song, I go need to dance. I could get it to do my price. When I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise.
We got to this town called Kabwe and eventually got a big mall with Hungry Lion, the supermarket, toilets, so we can go to the toilet, we can get some food. So we got into the mall and parked somewhere. And that's what we did here. I want to make this vlog as short as possible because the real fun starts on day 2, where I'm exploring the forest, seeing the first waterfall, and many other things. The views, the rivers. So I'm gonna make this to be 10 minutes.
You know, be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be, man, it's cast the stone. But you belong long, but what's I do? But why they titi go they sham you? I do belong long to come here. Can you imagine that they shake them on you? Oh, you're alone. My mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and
I took a screenshot of the map of the point where we were at. As you can see, we're just around Kabwe, a little bit ahead. So that's where we were at.
for my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blessed tonight because you love me. Yeah, they can do me. Nothing man, no face, vibe to pay. These kind of things in our life.
This town is called Kapiri because you can see there's a bus station called Kapiri Moshi. So I'm probably thinking if you want to go back to Lusaka, that's the bus station you go to. And if you want to go further ahead to the north, that's also the bus station. So when we got to Serenje town, it was getting so late, and that's the end of our day 1 trip. We found this hotel called Arthur Executive Lodge to sleep at. The hotel was nice, had basic amenities like shower, hot shower, food, nice bed, and there's this little houses up there that was so cute. I wanted to sleep in those houses, but we got this room. Then dinner time, we got fish, vegetables, and shima. So watch out for day 2 video. I promise you we saw a lot of cool stuff.